So hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to see that how can we pick a image from camera or gallery. Most probably many app uses this feature and it's a really important feature if you want to get any document of user or profile pic and upload to your database or send it anywhere. So basically it's used almost in every app nowadays. So it's really an important feature. So in this video we are going to see that only. So as you can see in this video we are going to learn that how we can pick image from camera as well as gallery. So here is my app and here the image will be displayed. Here is the select image, here is the camera button and a gallery button. And if I click on gallery button, our gallery will open and we can select an image from here. Suppose let's say I select this image. So it takes some time and you can see it has done. So we have cropped it over here of this much height and width only. So it's by aligning it to the center it is doing this. You can also change the image. You can go here in the gallery, you can click on this Lord Krishna image. You can see it's also appearing. And suppose if you want to take it from camera, we can do that also. We can click on camera. So our camera will open. It's just an emulator, so just the cartoonistic background will open. So like this. Okay, so when I click on this button, you can see photo has been taken and I can just do, or I can retake or cancel. Then I can click on OK on this tick button. I can see the image has been fetched here. So that's really awesome feature, and in this video we are going to learn that. So without wasting any time further, let's get started with our today's video. But first of all, an intro.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Fine, so here we are on our computer screen and we are ready with the Visual Studio Code and a new project created, and this is the app. Basically it's nothing, it's just a simple one. This is the main.dart in which there is a package of material.dart, and then it is a stateless widget my app, and this has the material dart with debug so banner false and home, which would be our home page. So we have imported homepage.dart, which is the next page. This one homepage.dart. Here nothing, just we have created the UI for now. The functionality we will add it, and you can see this is the material.dart package. It is homepage is a stateful visit as we are going to change the images and all those. So here we have a scaffold with app bar pick image and it's centered with violet color, that you can see, sorry, deep purple asset color. Then we are having a sized box over here to give a gap to image. Then we are having a column, okay, this column in which there is this image, and one row is containing this camera button and gallery button. Okay, so here first of all there is an image which is you can see this one. Currently I have added a image.network only for now, for just to demonstrate you. And you can see we have wrapped it with the padding widget so that it gives padding from all the sides. You can see this a gap. Okay, so now here is also a concise box. Then a row and main axis alignment is dots space evenly. Okay, and there are children's which there are two elevated buttons. One this one which is actually camera button and it has a green background as you can see over here. Okay, and then is a gallery button with orange background color. So that's it for UI, and although you will also get the code in my github repository in the video's description, so you can check it out later. For now, if you are facing some issue, then also you can go to my github repo. I will upload it soon. So now let's start with our app functionality. So now we can start with our functionality of the app. So in order to make this app useful, we need one library which is image picker. So you can go to your browser and here you can search for pop.dev and then you can search for image picker. You can see this, and after that what I am going to do is what you can do, you can come here and you can just copy this and you can just paste it. But now I am going to do something different and I will also help you and I would like that you should install this extension in your Visual Studio. It's really helpful. Just copy the name. Okay, then go here, and whenever you go to your extension, here you can type Perfect. So you can say this one, this library. You can install it. I have already installed. This is really helpful. So what does it does actually? You can go to a pubspec.yaml first of all, and here you can just manually add, as I said here, in the dependencies here below. Or you can also do one thing, that you can just press Ctrl Shift and P. This pop-up will appear, and you can see here PubSpec Assist. Click on it or hit enter, then paste this name image picker, and it will directly add it in your PubSpec YAML. You see added, and you can see it has added here. Now the Flutter pubget will automatically run, and our app will fetch it. You see it's running. So there is another issue, that we have already run an app and it's running real time on this device. So as we have added this library, we would not be able to use the functionality of this library, because the APK of this is already built. So we actually need to stop the app and rebuild it again. Okay, you need to terminate the debug session and run it without debugging again. So let's wait till there, and then we will proceed with our final coding part. Okay, fine. So I have rebuilt the app. You can see here the same app, but now the image picker is also working. Okay. So what we are going to do, we can go here, and in the installation tab here, we can copy this. Go to our VS Code, and after Flutter material.dart, we can add it. Okay. So it's added, and blue line is there because it's not currently in use in this app. So now we are going to make it in use. So here we will first of all create a file variable. Okay, sorry, image variable, which will be a file type. Okay, so it will be a file, of course. So we'll get file, and it may be nullable also. So we'll do this, and we'll get image. Okay, like this. File is still not defined. Okay, no. So here what you can know, you can just click here, and here main thing is there. Maximum programmers does a mistake there. What we say, whenever you do this, please do not import dart.html. Always import dart.io or input output. Okay, so if you do HTML, so it will go in a web-based code, and it will never work. Okay, so we need to make it on Android. So we'll give on dart.io. So it will import dart.io, and you can see the error is solved. The same file is also available in HTML, dart.html. So please do not import that. It may create a very big issue for you. I was also struggling with it, by the way. Okay, so anyways, now we are going to create a function which will be a future type, and its name will be image. Okay, and this will be asynchronous function. And now let's give a weight, which will be image picker. So as we have imported the library, it's showing our image picker. Okay, then we'll give dot pick image. We can also pick multiple images also by that function. And its source, let's give it image source dot, and here you will get two options, camera or gallery. Okay, so for now let's go with gallery. Okay, and now whenever you will run this function, okay, let's copy this thing. Okay, I will go, and let's say it's gallery, so I will give it to my gallery button. This camera button, this is the gallery button. On press, and we'll execute this function. Okay, yep, we have done. And now let's, okay, hot reload is done. Now if we click on gallery, so you see gallery is opened. So you see what was the main funda of it. So gallery has been opened. Okay, Suppose if I just change here image source to camera, okay, and it's also in gallery button of course, so I'll click gallery button, but it will open camera. You can see it will open camera. See, the camera is also there. Okay, yet our app is not functional, so it will not work till now. If we click on yes also, then the app will not take this. So we need to image means store this image in a variable type. Okay, so what we can do is here we will convert this, this is the image getting function. Okay, so we will convert this into an final. Okay, first of all what we can do here, we let's give a choice. Okay, here let's give a source variable, and in source also will pass this variable which is source. Okay, so both are source. Now what we will do here was the main funda. Okay, so now it will also ask for an argument. So here this will be, let's say, image source dot its gallery, so it is gallery, and let's copy the same function for our camera button. Here is the camera button, and here will be image source dot camera. Okay, so now if we will do, so you can see now what is happening. The source will automatically be set to image source dot camera or image source dot gallery. Okay, if I click on gallery button, as usual it will open our gallery as its image source dot gallery. And if I click, just a second, if I click on camera, it will open camera. So now our app is taking shape slowly. That's great. So now we can store, this is the variable in which the image we are getting, from which we are getting the image from the local storage. We can store this in a variable. Okay, let's store it. It will be final and its name will be image. Okay, sorry, final, and this will be a image variable name. Okay, now we will do a check here. Okay, that if image is equal to null, means the image variable is empty. Suppose if anyone goes to gallery as I did. Okay, go to gallery, I didn't selected anything and I came back to the app. So here it will get an error that no file has been stored in this image variable. So it will of course be null, right? So then the app may terminate. So we can do one thing, we'll just give a return simply. Okay, so it will do nothing, no error will be formed, and it will return to the app without any error. Okay, now if we do this, just a second, if I rerun the app, so it will be stored on the image only. So now what we can do here, now we can also do a check over here in this image section. Okay, so let's say here this is the child. I will just delete this portion. So here we will do a check if image, which is the variable of that one. So if image is not equal to null, okay, if the image variable is not equal to null, then we will use the ternary operator here. Then what we are going to do, we will give a image dot file. Okay, we'll use the image dot file, and this will have our image variable, and we need to add a null check here, or else it will form an error. So there should not be any null value there. Okay, and then now let's hide, if we need to crop it, so we can give like height of 200, then width also of 200. Okay, and here if means if there is no image present, if it is null, then else, in the else part, it will do that, it will have a padding const padding, then it will be padding, then it will be edge insert dot all, Let's give it 50, will be a double value. Okay. Okay, so we will give a child also. Child will be a text. The text will be select the image. Okay, now let's format the code. It's giving an error here. Let's see. Okay, yeah. So now let's format the code, and you can see it says, you can see no image is present currently. When the app is restarted, no image is present here. So it has given us like this. Okay. So now what we will do here, we will give a bit of styling here. Okay, so we'll give comma style, which will be text style. We'll add a style to text. It's too light in color, so let's change its font size. It will also be, or you can also change the font weight. Let's make it 20. Cool. So our app is working now. If we click on gallery, now let's choose a picture. This one, let's take Lord Krishna, and there should be the image. Okay, so actually we have missed a part. Okay, so let's see what we have missed. Let me check it again. No, so we need to, let's do a hot restart and see whether it works or not, or else we have missed a part. Let's check. Yeah, gallery. No. Okay, so we have an error here. We have missed a part over here, so we need to change the type of the variable, so value of the variable. So here we will create a name final image temporary. Okay, it will also be file, and it will have image dot, sorry, dot path. It will have image dot path. This will be temporary image is a variable. Now we'll add a set state function here. We'll change the state of a variable. So this image, so we are displaying this image there, right? So the image of the value image is already null. We are picking the image, yet we are not assigning the value to this image one. Okay, so now we are going to assign that this dot image equal to image temporary. That's it. Now our app should work fine. So now what is happening, the image will change to the value which we have picked, 5. Okay, now let's click on gallery, Krishna. Ooh, so it's working, right? Now click on gallery, this yeah, it also takes time sometimes. Let's click on camera. Let's see whether the camera is working or not. Our camera is stuck. Let me restart. Yeah, you can see this is visible here. I'm rebuilding the app again. Or means hot reloading the app. Yeah, so the image variable is null right now. Camera, you can see camera is open. You click on it, photo has been taken. We can click on OK, and you can see the image has been assigned. So that was the main function and main concept how we can assign, yet some of the things are missing. It should take the height and width, yet it's not taking. There may be issue, you can fix it. I am leaving this error on you. Fix and see that what all things are there. So main concept of our video was that how we can take the images from camera and gallery and show it on our screen. You can also do one thing, that you can also upload this image to Firebase or any database or any server. So that is really wonderful. So in this video we have learned, let's summarize the video. In this video we have learned that how we can import images from camera and gallery as well. So that's it. I hope that this video would be very informative for you. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up and hit the red subscribe button. Nowadays it's also white, by the way. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye. Peace.